Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually fix the Roomba error 2 code. Now it's a very common error and I'll show you how to fix it. Now the thing is, with error code number 2, there's something stuck inside the brushes of the Roomba device. Now it's very easy, simply remove the brushes and make sure that there is no debris or hair left inside the brushes or in the turning mechanism right here. So make sure to blow out any debris. Clean the brushes and first test the robot without any brushes installed, and from there leave out the brushes and check if there's still an error occurring. If so, thoroughly clean the Roomba itself, and from there put in the brushes again and make sure that they are clean. Now if this still keeps happening, please clean your Roomba once every week to make sure that this error doesn't occur often. Now, if this tutorial helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, but most importantly, thank you for watching.